What's up, guys? It's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel once again. And this week we're taking a look at, well, we're revisiting, I guess, because this is one that we've looked at before. But this here, we have the brand new formula for the Pioneer matte paste from Lodestar Grooming. This here, that was weird. So yeah, if you remember, I reviewed the OG formula of this a while ago. I'll put that video up here, but if you haven't seen it, it doesn't really matter because this is the different formula now. So there's quite a few differences here from what I recall from using the previous version. So let's not waste any time. Let's crack straight into this bitch and get started. In terms of packaging and pricing, this guy is going to come in your standard 4-ounce pomade jar. This time it is a white plastic jar with this kind of gray, sort of silvery lid. I say silvery because it has little like sparkly bits in there. And then you have this really beautiful labeling with like an evening, I think that's like a sunset sky with some silhouettes of mountains on it. Like, it looks really pretty. I really like the labeling a lot, and I like how it contrasts nicely with the bright white jar. If I remember, the original one was in a clear jar, I think, so I definitely like this newer look better. In terms of price, this is going to run you 18 bucks US, and in terms of the scent, as with most of the products from Lodestar, you get to choose your scent. So this one here I have is called Sevilla. I'm going to say Sevilla because it looks like Spanish, and also saying the word Sevilla makes me think of this. I actually feel like really super sad that Isitas died. So in his honor, today we're talking about Sevilla. So yeah, we're just gonna crack in and nose right in. Beach! Oh my god. I love that smell a lot. So it smells like orange blossom to me. So, which if you haven't smelled that before, to me it smells just like sunscreen, like in a really great way. So this reminds me tremendously of the scent on the styling balm from Fuertes. Very similar scent profile, and I am perfectly okay with that because it smells so good. And actually, and I feel like isn't Sevilla like a beach town or something? Hang on. Sports? No. Okay, well it's not a beach. Apparently, it's a very large city. Okay, well it's in the valley of the Guadalquivir River. So harbors and stuff. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. The scent really makes me think of like spring, summer, beach, just relaxation. So now that we're getting to spring and nicer weather, this is like a perfect scent for this time of year, as far as I'm concerned. In terms of the ingredients, we'll take a quick run through there. I think I still have my old one upstairs, maybe. So if I can, I'll side by side the ingredients. I don't know if they're different. If they're not different, I'm not going to decide. We'll just editing Matt will take care of this. But anyway, so the ingredients on this guy, we're starting out with distilled water and rice bran wax, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, bentonite clay, grapeseed oil, then our best boy, Mr. Kaolin clay in there. We have also Montmorillonite, I don't know, French green clay, which I have never seen before, but that seems really fucking cool. Fragrance, sunflower lecithin, and then your preservatives and whatnot. So yeah, basically what this reformulation was meant to do, you know, Kathy over at Lodestar is like, I've got more experience as a brewer now, so kind of wanted to refine the formula on this to make it a softer, smoother scoop, like easier to use, easier to apply. So it's meant to be a medium hold, matte finish, highly textured product that is very user-friendly, easy to apply and use and style and whatever, and then stay pliable and very lightweight all day. So that was a big mouthful of run-on sentences. Now my mouth's dry. So without further ado, let's get right into demo footage and see how a bitch works. Just before that, actually, I should mention, so it says, apply to dry hair for maximum volume and hold, or apply to damp hair for a looser style. Add more product as needed to achieve your style. So we know how I am. I'm a dry hair styling boy. So that's what we're doing here in the demo, starting out as usual with freshly washed and blow-dried hair. That's just nice and clean. We've got some 25 in there as a base just for smoothing. And now in terms of the scoop on this product, it is definitely way softer and creamier and easier than the previous one. I remember the OG formula feeling definitely drier, and I don't want to say crumbly formula, but it was like more firm in the jar. It wasn't quite as creamy feeling, and it had a bit more of a like waxy, choppy breakdown. Every time my dog likes to walk right above my head and make really clicky dog toenail sounds. So, back from that interlude, starting out with a dime-sized amount here. You don't need much. Definitely start small. I will say it is so much easier to apply than the old formula. Once again, it doesn't feel nearly as dry. You can definitely feel the grittiness of the clays in there, and you can feel it setting up like that medium hold grip, but it's certainly nothing too extreme and is very, very easy to get through the hair. So here we are with the final result, and so you can see definitely a lot of texture here and some movement, so it feels like a medium hold, like it feels like it's going to be kind of moving around and just kind of flowy, natural look all day, which y'all know me. That's my shit. So, yeah, here we are at the end of the day. This is 8 or 10 hours later, and yeah, it's definitely a medium hold. So you can see some breakdown, some kind of natural, volume loss and other things, but it still looks great, and it's very pliable. So you can easily run your fingers through it, throughout the day, and just keep it very natural and flowy looking. And that's what I look for in a matte paste, and I really enjoy that it wasn't drying at all. Like, my hair feels very, very lightweight, as was described in the product description on the website. Very, very lightweight. So very minimal volume loss, if any. And I feel like if you've got a bit shorter hair, this will probably be a little more on the medium firm hold side for you. So you probably, and I probably could have used more product to dial up the hold also. But I like my hair to still feel like hair when I run my fingers through it, I don't like a big, like, chunky, waxy heaviness. So I tend to use less product than some other people out there. But anyway, yeah. As far as the washout, it couldn't be easier. Literally just hot water hits it and hey, that was a little bit better. It's gone. So yeah, overall thoughts on the reformulated Pioneer Matte Paste from Lodestar Grooming. Definitely a much improved formula from the original, in my opinion. I think this is just much easier to use. It's definitely, they, like the website described, it's meant to be easy, user-friendly, lightweight, pliable, medium hold, high texture. It delivered on every single one of those. So it is exactly how it's described. I like with a lot of homebrews like this, that you can choose your scent. I really, really enjoy this Sevilla one, as you know already. But yeah, so great product, great price. Kathy has been just pumping out great products, making great stuff over at Lodestar. So Kathy, keep up the good work. This is great. And yeah, so if you liked the OG formula, I think that you will really like the Reform as well, because it maintains the characteristics that it had, and it just improves upon them. So yeah, that wraps things up for this video. Nice, quick, and easy one. Sorry it's been like 2 weeks in between videos lately. I have a lot going on right now, like busy at work, and I've got softball and golf league, and I've been climbing a lot and taking some coaching lessons there also. So I've been doing a lot of stuff to try to get some physical activity in. Like, it feels good, man. Also, Returnal came out, and that game is very hard, but very addictive also. So I was thinking, I haven't streamed on the Kale and King channel in a while, so maybe one of these days soon, maybe I'll just do like a chill Returnal stream, because I am really bad at the game, so I'm trying to get good and having a really fun time playing it regardless. So yeah, so that wraps things up for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. Do stay tuned. I think the next video I want to do is a Krusty Ads video, because I have a lot of newer things. Most of them are from Lumenskin, no surprise to anybody there, that are just real bad, and I'm dying to crack into those. So I think that's next, and then I really want to talk about the new Iconic clay. It's another homebrew that I was sent, and yeah, I've got a lot that I want to say about it. So look forward to those coming up. If you haven't already, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching. And we'll see you in the next one.